starting your agency with just -$1. That was the video I created in the past. So it's just like, I would say like I'm just continuing that video, and that video actually got like a lot of traction and a lot of people actually liked it. So in this specific video, I'll be actually talking about how you can scale your agency. And in the last video, I actually spoke about like you guys are completely broke. You literally have nothing right now. You're just completely beginners. You're just starting out, and you have nothing to invest. You don't have anything to invest for the business except time. That what I actually talked about in that last video. It was liked by almost like everyone who watched that video, right? So in this specific video, guys, what we will be actually talking about is how you can scale your agency to minimum of $10,000 every single month. Let's get to the business. Let's get to the most important part of this video, how you can scale from here. I'm supposing right now you have one client. Right now you're trying to deliver him. Now you're finding yourself again in a position where you are reaching out to new prospects to close more appointments and then eventually clients. And that's true. When you're starting out, you barely have an idea when's your next client is coming until you know your number. This is a very big and crucial part, until you know your numbers. And when I'm saying knowing your numbers, it will definitely change your entire business. Obviously, you guys are complete beginners. You don't know how to track your numbers down. So let me just tell you how you can do that. Create a Google Sheet and write every single thing down: name, number, email, address. That's the first. Create a second Google Sheet and track like day, like all the days of the week, and how many people you are reaching out in a daily basis, and it's all combined: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Just track your numbers down, from now on. So the first client that you recently got, let's say it took you close to around 1,000 outreaches to get that first client, and so somehow you got that appointment first, and then you eventually close that client, right? So to get that first appointment, let's say you reached out to 700 prospects, right? Then you got the appointment. After reaching out to 1,000 prospects, you got that first client, right? If you want more appointments, you have to reach out to more prospects. Let's say in a day, on a daily basis, you need 2 appointments, and after reaching out to 700 prospects, you are getting 1 appointment. So you will be reaching out to 1,400 prospects to get 2 appointments in a day. If you want 2 clients in a month, then you'll be reaching out to 2,000 prospects, right? And I'm not saying like these numbers are always accurate. Sometimes it's like more than like 1,400 or more than 2,000 or even 3,000 outreaches. It's somewhere near them. You have to find the sweet spot. It's never going to be accurate. This is not how business runs. You have to just find that sweet spot. Let's say after reaching out to 3,000 prospects, I'm closing a client, right? So then reach out to 6,000 prospects and see for yourself, like, am I closing another client or not? If you're not closing another client, then reach out to more prospects. Your sweet spot may be reaching out to 4,000 prospects, and then you are closing a client. So you have to like keep making these changes, keep testing things out, and then you're going to find that sweet spot. And I can again tell you, like, these numbers won't be never accurate, but you still have to keep all the track of your numbers, right? But yeah, this is the most important tip of this video. That's like the most, I would say, key ingredient in order to scale your agency to $10,000 right now. And the second is create daily task and create daily goals. And when I'm saying daily task and goals, tomorrow's Monday, a new week is coming. What are your goals? So I used to think like my long-term goal is this, and never used to think about short-term goals. I learned this very, very late, and I maybe regret a lot, but you have to create short-term goals as well, which you can achieve these goals in a short amount of time, right? So write your goals down, especially like goals which you can achieve in a short amount of time. It could be anything related to your business. Maybe this particular week I have to close 2 clients. That's your short-term goal. In the next 6 months, I have to reach out to 60,000 prospects, something like that. In the next 6 months, I have to hit 500,000 with my marketing agency. That's a little long-term goal in comparison to like a week's goal, right? That's why start setting up your daily task. It's morning. What should I do next? You should know what should you do next, guys. You should never wake up to nothing. You should know what the next step is. Just take a shower, get back to work. You should know like what's the first thing you have to do in the morning. Even if it's meditation, even if it's reading a book or shooting videos or whatever it is, you should know what you are up to for that particular day. Set daily tasks and set daily goals. The third part here is outreach, prospecting, which is so much important, and so much people actually think like this is not that much important. I can get clients without reaching out to prospects. maybe inbound leads, maybe inbound appointments, right? Getting those first inbound leads and appointments, I think so, accordingly to me, it's very hard and it's almost impossible because you don't have a social proof and you barely have any audience who can actually reach out to. So that's where right now the only maybe prospecting you should be worried about is outbound. That's where maybe $10,000 a month is waiting for you, and that's how all the agency owners actually score their first $10,000 a month with their agencies. I would say without any good script, without any good framework, without any good foundations, getting those appointments is kind of hard. And now you'll be thinking, Bhavesh, what kind of frameworks and foundations you're talking about? Just for that, guys, I'm attaching another video here. It's all about how to create script, what kind of frameworks actually does work. Check this video out here. So to be honest, when you're first starting out, make sure your service delivery is so much sorted out. As soon as you onboard the client, he starts to get results, closes, sales within the first 2 weeks, and the sooner the better. And he will realize like this marketing company is the best I ever worked with. And if they realize that, they're going to eventually start getting you more referrals. And once you have those referrals coming in, personally I'm getting a lot of referrals from my own clients because they're closing a lot of sales. As soon as you start getting those referrals, it's like free money. It's like literally free money. You're getting clients for providing good results for your clients, and that's why focus more on service delivery. And if you're charging $2,000, $3,000 per client, so it's like free $2,000 client you're actually getting just by like referrals from your client. So it's like a no as well as a big game changer. So that's why also when you're first starting out, focus more on the service delivery. Anyways, we are also growing on YouTube. I'm very happy you're liking my videos and all the content I'm providing for you guys. Just like this video as always, do subscribe to the channel, share this video to anyone who wants to actually scale to $10,000 a month with their marketing agency. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I'll be back with more videos very soon. All the best and keep taking action. Bye.